Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing some unknown facts regarding food wastage. You will be shocked to know that 1.3 billion tons of food is wasted every year. Wasted food amounts to over $1 trillion of loss and wastage annually. One fourth of wasted food could feed all 795 million of undernourished people in the world. Fruits and vegetables are the most wasted food groups, followed by meat and dairy products. Guys, do you know the difference between use by and best before dates? Alright, let me share. Only 37% of people know the difference between use by and best before dates. Foods with use by dates are highly perishable and must be eaten before the date written. Whereas, food with best before dates can be eaten after the date on the packaging, although it won't be at its best quality. According to UNDP, that is United Nations Development Programme, about 40% of food is wasted in India. This is not just a matter of few lakhs of rupees. If food is wasted, there is so much waste of water used in agricultural, manpower and electricity lost in food processing industries, and even contributes to so much of deforestation that occurs because of this sector. Rising awareness has meant that rate of food wastage has fallen. Between 2007 and 2012, food wastage was reduced by 15%. So let's carry on this change and reduce food wastage even more. Save your money and save the planet by taking small little steps to respect food. So guys, now I will share 5 things that we can do in our daily life to stop food wastage. First is, make it a habit not to waste any food in your plate while you have your food, be in breakfast, lunch or dinner. Second is, if you cook at home, make sure you cook keeping in mind there is no excess. You can always complete your lunch or dinner with a few fruits rather than keeping some extra food in the refrigerator. If you work in a company or office that has a canteen, check with them on how they manage excess food. Cooked food, especially since it has low shelf life, needs to be managed better and faster. You can check with NGOs who offer to transport excess food to the needy. If you host a family get-together either at home, a marriage hall or throw a party at a hotel, make sure you plan for the food to be transported to a place like an orphanage or old age shelter. There is no better thing than sharing your happiness with these people as well. If you cook at home, make sure you select your vegetables, cereals and others in order of their shelf life. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please share this video to spread awareness so that each one of us can contribute in reducing food wastage. Thank you.